Yeah, he is. Not afraid though. Not afraid.
No, well, that's why he hangs around here. I'm sure
And
he
carrot.
feels safe, right?
And carrot. Come on.
He sees you, all right.
Come and get it. Come and get it. Come on. Come on. Here you go. Yeah, he's gonna have a little chew there. So, like, where does he live? Just outside?
Yeah,
like,
just
wherever.
he wants, I have a feeling.
I guess he's probably got a little burrow somewhere.
Well, a lot of times he's under that big spruce tree there most of the time that I see.
Oh,
but
yeah.
he moves around. He's pretty...
Does he change color or not? Or
that's why he stands out like a sore thumb.
He's just a tame...
That's the way he looks all the time, yeah.
Got away on somebody that had him or whatever.
Well, that's what I kind of... Oops, haha, scared you. Still a little tippy. They say I do this kind of stuff and it don't bother him, right? Well, I don't understand.
Yeah, I know. It doesn't seem to bug him at all.
Really? Well, really, you can really notice them though. Like, say if there's an animal